Boy, I love the smell of fresh flowers. They're. Hey, how are you guys today? Welcome back. We are here to learn about why it's important for us to do math problems in a correct way or in a correct order. Now, can you just go out and just bring a kite in? No, you gotta fly the kite first. You gotta let out the string. So, we're talking about order of operations. Now, with the order of operations, it's important to know we do certain parts of the math problem first and other parts at after. Okay, so we have things that we do first and second. First, we will always do anything that's in these parentheses. That's always going to be first in those brackets. Okay, then we would do anything that is times or divide. That would be second. And then third would be anything that is plus or minus. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at our first problem here. We've got Elizabeth's mom. Now, she bought several pansies at the nursery. She bought 4 6-packs and 2 large pansies in pots. How many total pansies did she purchase? Press pause. We'll be back and we will see if you can solve it. All right, how did you guys do? Were you able to solve that? Were you able to come up with an answer to that one? Well, let's take a look. Let's remember, we're talking about order of operations and what we do first. So, let's get started. Let's go ahead and look. So we would first want to break it down, right? We know that she bought 4 6-packs of pansies. So, 4 6-packs would be 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, and then we have those 2. So one way we could have done that is we could have added those up. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 6 plus 2, which would be the same as 4 times 6 plus 2. So 4 times 6 is, that's right, it's 24. Plus the 2 would be 26. So we would have gotten the same answer. Now remember, the bracket or times, we actually wouldn't have to put the bracket because we know we do times first. So, 4 times 6 is 24. Plus the 2, 26. Now I wonder though, just so we can see if what I told you was correct, if we do the other things first. What would have happened if I would have added 2 plus the 6? I would have had 8 times 4, or 4 times 8. And that would be 32. So that would not work, would it? Okay. That's why order of operations is very important. Let's take a look at our next one, okay? And here we have Jade's dad, who bought 1 gallon of milk and 4 dozen eggs at the store. The milk cost $3 and the eggs cost $2 per dozen. How much did Jade's dad spend at the store? Remember order of operations, do that first. Press pause and we'll be right back. Don't forget to put close on those numbers. All right. So, we know that Jade's dad bought milk and 4 dozen eggs. We wanted to know how much he spent. So, I've got to look at the numbers that are important to me in there, right? I know that I need to know about the 4, and I need to know about the 1, and I need to know about the cost of each of those. Okay, so a couple of things I can do. I could just add them all up because I know that it's the price of the milk, which is $3, right? Plus all of those eggs, which is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. And what do you know? All those eggs cost the same amount. So I could definitely add those up. I could count by 2s and then add the 3. And I know that I would get 3 plus, or the other thing I could do is do the eggs. So that'd be 4 groups at, not going to show you yet, 4 groups at $2. Okay, what goes first? The bracket. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, and look at that. Oh, what are we supposed to put on that? We don't want to have that kind of number. We don't want a naked number. What do we need to put? We need to put close on it, so we put the $sign in front. All right, next one. See if you can do this one on your own. I'll read it with you, and then you take a look. So, we've got 5 friends that are going to the amusement park. Each friend needs 2 tickets to ride the wheel and 4 tickets, I'm going to have to read this backwards again, and 4 tickets to ride the roller coaster. How many total tickets do they need to be purchased? So, a couple of important things. The amount of friends. We know there's 5, right? And it's 2 tickets for the one ride. And it's 4 tickets for the roller coaster. Now they want to ride all of them, so those are the numbers you need to keep track of. Go ahead and press pause and we'll be right back with the answer. All right, my friends, how did you do? Did you use the order of operations this time like I asked you to? Well, let's take a look. I know that I've got we talked about how we have the friends and about how much it was for the wheel and how much it was for the roller coaster, right? So we had 5 friends. Then we knew that each friend needed 2 tickets for the wheel and 4 tickets for the roller coaster. So what am I going to do first? I need to know the number of tickets first. So, in order to do that first, so that somebody knows to do it, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put those little brackets around there. So I know that I do those first. What goes first? That's right, the brackets go first. So now I have 6 times 5. And you guys are experts at doing 6 times 5. That is what? Oh, beat me to it. You know that it was 30. Very good, guys. All right, let's just take a look. So we knew we could do it this way too. We knew that there were the 5 friends and we could put 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, right? We could have done that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what if I would have done that the wrong way? What if I didn't put those brackets on there? What would have happened? Let's see. That would have been 5 times 2 times 4. So we would have done the 5 times 2, which is 10, plus the 4, and we would have came up with 14. So that would not have worked. So that's why order of operations is so important on every problem you do. All right, guys, best of luck to you. You do have a worksheet to do. Make sure that you submit that by attaching the file at the end, and have a great rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow.